In this demonstration, I will show you how to mass update pay rates using the mass update pay rate function in Sage HRMS. Now, although mass update and mass update pay rate can both update an employee's pay, you may decide to use the mass update pay rate for a few reasons. For one, you're not only updating the employee's pay, but you're also inserting the reason for the adjustment. Also, the mass update pay rate process adds the pay rate increases to the employee's job history files. So in my example, I will update the unit pay rate to $10.50 for anyone working at the headquarters location, which is our at org level 3, who are currently at a lower rate. Before you begin, ensure to do a backup of your data. Next, run a query or some other custom report to determine the number of employees you expect to be updated. And finally, ensure you have the reason code for the update established in setup. When you're ready to proceed, navigate to the Employees option on the navigation pane, scroll down to Processes, and select Mass Update Pay Rate. From here, you can establish your criteria on this main page, or you can build an expression. Keep in mind that if you build an expression, any fields selected here are ignored. Also, should you find the need to get clarification on some of these fields here or in other locations in Sage HRMS, consider selecting the gray question mark in the corner, which will take you to specific information regarding the page you're on. So going back to my example, I am going to create an expression using the FoxPro Expression Builder because I do not have enough options here on the main page to create a complete expression. So my expression here will be all employees working at the company DEU making less than $10.50 who are active and working at org level 3 headquarters. So in no particular order, I'll start with the first field I see, which is employee status. In my case, the employee should have a status of A for active. Next, company code. This will equal DEU. Next, I will find P underscore level 3, which is the org level. This will equal the code, which is HQ, not the description. And finally, unit pay rate should be less than $10.50. Once you have your expression complete, I recommend selecting Verify to ensure the expression is valid. Once you have completed this page, select OK. Next, complete the following fields. So the effective date of your pay, I'm going to make it 12/1/2017. Change reason, I'll use adjustment. And for new pay rate, keep in mind this is the pay period salary, not the unit rate. So for my case, I'm going to take the $10.50 multiplied by 80 hours, which is the pay period frequency for the employees, which totals $8.40. So once you have all these fields completed, select OK. The process will remind you that you're updating the P underscore salary field, not any other field related to pay. So if you are OK with your new pay rate above, hit OK. Next, it lets you know how many employees will be updated. In my example, I am expecting 2 employees to be updated, so I agree with this information, and I'll hit yes. And finally, the employees have been updated. To verify the change, I will bring up one employee that I was expecting to have an increase. So employee number 10240. For current pay, her pay is at $10.50. And if I go to Pay and Performance, the change effective date has changed and the reason code as well.